Welcome to our channel. Collagen is the secret to youthful skin, strong hair, and healthy joints. But did you know there are specific vitamins that can boost its production? Let's dive into the top vitamins to help you glow. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. First on the list is vitamin C. This powerhouse antioxidant plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers, it's essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Next up is vitamin A. This vitamin supports the production of collagen and helps repair damaged skin. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens are rich sources that you should include in your diet. Vitamin E is another key player. This nutrient protects your skin from free radical damage, which can break down collagen. Nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin E. Don't forget about vitamin D. It's vital for overall skin health and works synergistically with other vitamins to boost collagen production. Sun exposure in foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products can help. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, enhances the skin's ability to produce collagen. It's found in foods like chicken, tuna, and whole grains. Including it in your diet can make a noticeable difference. Another important vitamin is vitamin K. It aids in collagen formation and supports skin health. Leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are great sources to load up on for this benefit. Vitamin B5, or pantothenic acid, helps the skin retain moisture and repair itself. This vitamin can be found in eggs, avocados, and mushrooms, contributing to a plump, youthful appearance. Biotin, often called vitamin B7, is essential for hair, skin, and nails. It supports collagen production and can be found in foods like eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes. To amplify collagen production, don't overlook vitamin B12. This vitamin works in tandem with other B vitamins and is found in meat, dairy, and fortified cereals. Incorporating a variety of these vitamins into your diet can ensure you're giving your body the tools it needs to produce collagen efficiently. Supplements can also be a helpful addition. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these vitamins is key. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, it will help you maintain youthful, radiant skin and strong, flexible joints. Along with vitamins, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and protecting your skin from sun damage will also support collagen production. It's all about a holistic approach. Liked the video? Give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your thoughts and subscribe for more.